guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to create a smears liquid like a flip fluid, but without the flip fluid. Geometry node has a ton of nodes, and sometimes the hard part isn't building something, it's just figuring out which node to use. That's why I found this guide called Every Geometry Node Ever. It's actually really helpful. It's organized almost every geometry nodes in Blender and explain what each node does. So, instead of searching the internet for every node, you can just open this guide and find instantly. If you're serious about learning geometry node, this is a great reference to keep. Check the link in the description.
If you enjoy Blender tutorial on modeling, lighting, animation, and product visualization, you are in the right place. Now you can become a channel member and unlock exclusive perks like early access to all my tutorial video. And the best part, at the end of each month, you will get a complete blend file pack containing all the project file from every tutorial released that month. Just hit the join button below to become a member and support this channel to grow. Okay, that's all. Let's start the tutorial.
First of all, let's open up your Blender, new file, general. Let's delete unnecessary part. Press X to delete. Select this cube. Go to the front view, press G, Z, and 1. Then press Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision modifier. Then press Tab to edit mode. Press Ctrl R to put a loop cut. Put it here and move it down here. Like this. Okay. Then tap to the object mode. Go to the modifier property, add a subdivision modifier. Ctrl A to apply. Then Shift A, mesh. Add a plan, go to the top view, press S, scale it on the x-axis by 8, just like this. Then SY 2. Okay. Tap to the edit mode, front view, press E, extrude it down here at the Z location, like this. And don't forget to check the face orientation. Click here and click face orientation. Right, it's saying it's facing the wrong way. Press A to select everything, Shift N. Okay, like this. Tap to the object mode, then press Shift A again, mesh, add another cube, press S, X, 8, like this, then press S, Y, 2.5. Okay, Alt Z, tap to the edit mode and click like this. GZ, move it up. Okay. Let's scale this up on the x-axis a little bit. Or maybe this one, let's minimize a little bit on the x-axis. Go to the basic property, add a fluid. Fluid here, type, change it to a vector. Then surface thickness, let's make it 0.01. Then this one, let's move it here. Okay, add a fluid, add a flow, change to liquid, geometry. I'm going to keep it geometry. This one fluid, this one as domain liquid. Let's leave it like this for now. I'm going to Shift A, add cube, GZ 1, just like this. And maybe I'm going to put it up a little bit like this. This one, move it up a little bit. The flow. Okay. Then this object, GZ, put it here. Tap to edit mode, S, scale it on the x-axis, GX, put it here. Okay, maybe adjust it a little bit. Okay, then tap to edit mode, right click, subdivide. Let's make it 10 times. Like this, tap to the object mode, add a modifier, deform, and displace. New here, click here, image or movie, change it to the cloud. Then we can adjust it here, size. Let's press slash to easel light view. Alt Z, Ctrl 2, add a subdivision modifier. Okay, maybe just something like this. Reduce the strength a little bit. I guess this is enough. Then I'm going to apply this displacement. Then subdivision modifier. Press slash again. Front view, Alt Z. At the final frame, change it to 120. Press I to insert the location, then press at the last frame, or maybe at the frame 100. GX. Let's try to put it here. Then press I. After that, go to the basic property, fluid, change it to a vector, and that's all. Back here, click here. For the domain time scale, I'm going to change it to 0.6. CLF number, make it 0.7. Time step, change to 40, and one is 4. Clip, change it to epic. Particle maximum, change it to 8. Minimum, change it to 3. Narrow band, change it to 5. After that, diffusion here, enable. Expand, change here to the honey. Base is 2, exponent 3. Enable high viscosity solver. Change the strain to 0.7. Surface tension, make it 1.5. At the change here, change it to 1. Replay, change it to all. Resolution diffusion, let's start from 100. Don't forget to save your project. Okay, then hit the bake. Let's wait for some minute. It depends on your computer. Here's the result. It's kind of pale here. Let's fix a little bit. Free all, Alt Z, select this one. Press A down here at the timeline. X, delete the keyframe. GZ, move it up a little bit. Press I to insert the keyframe. Go to the last frame. Here maybe G, X. Put it here. Press I, then A here. T. Change it to linear. This one. Tap to the edit mode. I guess this one. Okay, Shift S, cursor to selected. Then press A to select everything. Change pivot point to the 3D cursor. Just scale it on the Z axis. Okay. I guess for now, I'm going to disable the mesh. And that's all. Don't forget to save and bake. Okay, let's see the result. Seems like it's worked. Yep, it's worked, I guess, but it's only worked till here. After here, it's breakout. Okay, let's free all again. Let's see. Let's try to change here. Maybe I'm going to make it finish here. Okay, press I. Here, surface tension. Let's make it, change it to the 2. Resolution, let's change to 80 for now. Let's disable the mesh. Object here for the domain. Viewport display. Change solid to the wire. Probably we can try another way. Geometry here, change it to inflow. Then use flow at the frame 1. Press I to insert. Then let's move to the frame probably 12. Disable the use flow and press I to insert the keyframe. Then for this effector, let's move this one. Press A, G, move it to frame 12. Okay. Let's try to bake again. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, this is what we're looking for. After that, you can click here at the domain, then wire here, change it to the solid. Basic property. Let's free all, back to the mesh. Okay, this is the result. You can increase the resolution for a better quality. You can enable or disable the adaptive time step. Just play with this. And for diffusion tab and viscosity solver, it's kind of fixed for this. You can play with the strength. I guess the strength Don't make it too high. Just play between 0.2 and 0.5 or 7. Surface tension 0.5 till maybe the max is 2, base is 3 or 3.5, exponent is 2. For the epic here, liquid, maximum particle make it 4 and minimum is 1. This part it's make the liquid didn't splash much, and that's all. I'm going to free all, then increase the resolution. Here's the result when I'm done baking with 300 resolution. See? We can go to the file, export Alembic. Then you can name this one smears. Delete all of this file, import Alembic. We can import our smears, spacebar. We can delete this here and this one. Got this result. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you.